Hi, now I'm at home with my bag of rocks and I've got my cleaning items, my Jif and my old toothbrush. Don't worry, I won't be using this again. Cleaning them's pretty easy. You don't have to use Jif, you can use whatever you like. I just use Jif because that's what I like. Anybody watching from overseas, Jif is just a cream cleanser. I think they call it Cif in the UK, if I remember rightly. In America they call it cream cleanser. Anywho, just grab your rocks, run a bit of water on them, get it wet, get a bit of your Jif. You don't need much. It's just dust really. Give them a bit of a scrub, make sure you get all of the dirt out of the pores that are in the rock. Rinse it off, make sure you haven't missed any bits. And that looks pretty much good to go. That one wasn't actually all that dirty, so pretty easy really. And then just lay them to one side. I usually do a batch at a time. I might not wash all the rocks that I've got there. I might just pull out a selection and maybe 6 or 7 or so, and then I'll prep them up ready for painting when I feel the urge to do some painting. What I will say is make sure that they are thoroughly dry before you do any painting. So I'd leave those aside for at least half a day. Turn them over because they'll dry on one side, and then turn them over to the other side. And then you're pretty much good to go. So I'll see you next time for painting.